Hello everyone, today we're gonna unbox this Anker Powerport multi-charger. So first of all, let me show you the model, which is Powerport 10. Okay, and this is wrapped with a polyfoil paper. So let's cut it through and open and see what is in there. By the way, this is the ultimate charging station. This is only suitable if you run a lot of devices at the same time charging. So let's open the box and see what is in there. Okay. So this one has two ports. Okay, as you can see, this is the actual device. It looks like kind of, RJ45 router terminal bridge. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 USB ports, power switch at the back. This is the main power switch and the stereo plug connector, where you're gonna use your main cable to power it up. Okay, and as you can see, the size is really compact. It's not too big and not too small, but it's a super compact size. Okay, and that's the reason why it is one of the most popular multi-charging station. Let's see what is in there. And there is the warranty guide inside, and it shows you some kinds of troubleshooting, how to do that. Okay, and also they recommend you to use their own charging cable, I mean USB cable, to get the best result. And good point is the 10 ports pump out around 60 watts of power, and it's enabling simultaneous multi-device charging, which is great. And another good point is this one has advanced charging technology, but problem is this one doesn't support Qualcomm quick charge, but that's not a big issue anyway. And this is much more safer. The reason is this one doesn't get that much hot. By the way, this is the adhesive. Okay, so when you charge more than 5, 6 or 8 devices, I tried it. I charged my iPad Pro, iPhone 7, at the same time Samsung, some other Android devices, and pretty much it was not that much hot. Okay, I charged more than 45 minutes and then I monitored the temperature and everything was normal. By the way, this is the power cord. We're going to connect it, okay, which is right back of this hub. Okay, you need to push it a little bit to make it firm, and they gave you the adhesive just to put it on place, but I don't need it because I always keep moving. Okay, by the way, this is actually a great device for small or big any repair shop, like who needs to multiply their charge more than one devices quicker and faster. Okay, that would be a great idea. By the way, I'm just using original iPhone lightning cable, but as you can see, there is a light indicator anyway. So they always suggest you to use their own branded cable, and that would optimize the power. As you can see, my iPad Pro is charging. Okay, and they do proper warranty, that says. Okay, and this is actually made by America, USA, I believe. And they do every single new Powerport 10 ports charger. This is 18 months warranty. Okay, so I'm gonna connect another few cables just to see how it does work. Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult to put it through because all of them congested next to each other, just to make it more compact. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, so each and individual, if you want to take it out, it's a little bit difficult. Also, I did connect a proper cable, multi-USB cable from the Anker. And also I was recharging my power bank, which is from Anker as well, just to see if there is any extra load, made any changes of the performance. So it seems all of them charging same, because after investigation more than 45 minutes I did realize no, the charging speed is actually brilliant. And by the way, it does cost nearly £34. It depends on where you buy it from. As you can see, iPhone is charging. And I use the multi-cable just to see my earpod. Sorry, I forgot to put my earbuds in there. Alright, so let's plug it in and check how it goes. Yes, light is on, fine. And there is a blue light indicator just left side of the block. And this is a Velcro. You can put all the cables together organized. That's quite handy. Good. Yeah, there is no bad noise. It's fine. And adhesive, if you want, you can add some adhesive underneath and place it like there, like mounting, you know. By the way, that is pretty much everything. Thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your extra support. Bye for now.